I didn't choose Gitanjali Jewelers, actually they chose me. So the collection, I'm now the brand ambassador for Collection G, and of course this is a huge honor for me to actually be representing them.
If you'll talk about the diamond and the gold, it's more important for the women's. So how much you like it personally in your life?
Well, see, for me, I have a huge love affair with gold jewelry in itself. I really think that gold jewelry is so beautiful, and I'm so pleased that Collection G has been able to revive gold jewelry in itself for the youth, because before, I mean, gold, you always link it up to something traditional, and now they've come up with a collection that you can wear every day, and it's very simplistic, it's very fun, it's trendy, and that's why I feel more than happy to be associated with Collection G's line.
Personally, always you want to wear like this with this kind of jewelry?
I love this jewelry. I think it accessorizes anything. It can accessorize jeans, you can wear it during the day, you can even wear it out at night. And I really think that gold is really back and in now. It's very trendy. I really think it's making a huge comeback.
Okay, this year is completely exciting for you. You are joining with the film after modeling. So exactly, how was the experience first time with the Ritesh? Basically, you are working with the Aladdin.
Actually, no comment on that. Yeah, sorry, no comment.